Hi, it's me, Angharad, from Angharads Live, and
me, Linda.
We're so excited. In today's video, we're going to be sharing with you all what an amazing time we had in Middlesbrough and Redcar. We went to Vedge and Sugar Noms, didn't we, Mum?
We did. It was such a lovely time. The meal we had at Vedge was just like what we had last time. It was amazing. And then to go to Sugar Noms and see Kay and Mark, it was absolutely fantastic.
If you haven't seen last year's trip to Vedge, we'll link it up there. It was amazing, wasn't it, Mum?
It was so lovely. And the staff was so friendly there.
They really are. If you haven't seen last year's trip to Sugar Noms,
you've got to link it.
We'll link it up there. Should we now go back in time, Mum?
I think that's a great idea. I think Sarah's looking forward to it as well. Are you looking forward to sharing the trip we had to Redcar and to Middlesbrough? I think she is.
I try to walk between the raindrops, ride the waves of every storm. I thought I was always worth.
We're at the edge. They're absolutely incredible. I love the garlic with the sauce so much. It's so delicious. So good. Oh, that's incredible. So many wonderful flavours too. It's lovely. So it's first time at Sugar Noms.
In a safe place, I got room to breathe. Been a long chase, but at last I'm free. These open woods, I knew I could find peace here. Nothing like the city where I got tired of the running, the catching up. I got hungry for the stunning high mountain tops. Promised lands to find my path, see the planet from I got hungry for the sun in high mountain tops. So I made some plans, some dreams to catch, to promised lands, to find my path, see the planet from greater heights. I have found a place out of time and space, far from city lights, up on greater heights. And I'm flying, I'm flying, I'm flying alone now. And nothing, no nothing is holding me down now. I'm flying, I'm flying, I'm flying alone now. And nothing, no nothing is holding me down now. I have found a place out of time and space, far from city lights.
Here's the mint frappe. Oh, that's absolutely incredible. Do you know the milkshake now, ma'am?
It's a great idea. Do you want me to pass it to you?
Yes, please.
Dad chose that flavour. Cookies and cream.
Oh, that's a... Here's the apple crumble sugar bomb with the fudge too. Just look.
That's amazing.
Oh wow. Tastes absolutely incredible. Should we try the filling now, mum, too?
That's a great idea.
Oh my gosh. It's absolutely incredible.
You got to the bottom of it now. How's that?
Absolutely incredible.
Ooh, the bubble waffle looks amazing. The cookies and cream, raspberry ripple, the cherry chocolate, ice cream.
And cookies and cream too.
Oh,
The sauces as well.
the sauces, the cherry sauce and the salted caramel sauce. And of course the vegan fresh cream. And some lemon dust.
Here's the cherry chocolate.
Oh,
It's amazing. Such a wonderful balance too. And now for the raspberry one. That is a wonderful taste of raspberry. And now, cookies and cream.
with some other cream.
The biscuit chunks too. It's lovely having the sauces over it too. And wow, the lemon dust is amazing too. You enjoy it?
I think that's a great idea.
It was absolutely fantastic. We really enjoyed sharing with everyone what we did at Mum.
Oh, it was so lovely to be able to share with everybody on the channel the wonderful meal we had at the Edge and the amazing time that we had visiting Sugar Noms.
Oh, it was absolutely brilliant. We really hope you all enjoyed coming along with us.
It's always lovely to be able to share everything we get up to, isn't it?
It is. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Comments really do help a lot too, and we always love hearing from you. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing under the video or at the end of the video. It is free, and press the notification bell so you're notified when we post new videos. this time in the comments. We'd love so much to know if you've ever been to Middlesbrough or Redcar.
That'd be great to know if people have been.
Have you ever been to Sugar Noms?
That'd be amazing. It was so amazing to see the map in Sugar Noms as well, wasn't it?
It really was.
For me to be able to tell you on all the amazing places that people have travelled from to go to Sugar Noms.
We really hope to see you all here again very soon. Bye! Take care! And bye from Sarah too!